Hi traders. So in today's video, as you see, I have a knife with me to kill wild animals. And there is a person on this beach. This beach is just for you to know is like 20 kilometers long, and literally no one is near us, like in a 1 mile radius. And so this person is just walking just around this beach with a really fucking big machete, and he just threatened us that he will kill us if we don't wear the face mask. And I am a big fan of logic, and if there is no one around you, you can't spread the fucking virus. It is how it works. If you are alone, or if you with your love and no one is, surrounding you, no other people, then you are not a threat to anyone. But the person who wants to kill you with a machete, that is a threat to you. So fuck that. Now, in today's video, I will talk about ranging markets, and this video will be actually a real serious one. So if you don't listen carefully, I will hurt you with this knife. Now, this knife is made out of wood, so I can't hurt you too much, but it's a secret. So listen carefully. Now, ranging markets. As you know, I am a big fan of trend, and trend is your friend, and so you have to ride it, because it is the best way to make money in the Forex markets. And actually, in this video I will talk about EAs and how you can make your EA work better with trends. Because the worst thing, if you are a trend trader, is that you have ranging markets all over when you trade with a trend trader EA. And ranging markets are kind of your enemies, because if you trade and trade with a trend trader robot, and you have a very neat, a very cool, a very good profitable strategy, but you didn't prepare for ranging markets, then the problem is the following. You make good profits when there is a trending market, and you make hundreds of pips actually, and you are actually a good trader. You don't trade with scalpers or day traders. But if it comes, if the enemy comes, the ranging market, then you are fucked, because you will blow your entire account, because you are not prepared to identify the ranging markets. And there is a huge problem there, because if your EA is not prepared for ranging markets, then your EA will think that ranging markets are actually trending markets, and it will trade as it is a trending market, and it will blow your account, because it will make 100 trades in one day, and it is not cool. Because if you trade the trends, you trade for one trade for a month, as you know, because you trade the trends, and it is cool because you will make money in the long term. So I have some advices for you. Now, advices are really important, especially if they come from me. No, I don't want to hurt myself either with this knife, so I want do this. So do the following. When I optimize my EAs and I create my strategies, one of my biggest fucking problems are the ranging markets. And actually, I have really great strategies, and I had really great strategies in the past, but I didn't know what to do with ranging markets. And I always, and my EAs always just, they worked, but when there was a ranging market, I just tried to, avoid trading at all and just shut off my system. But the problem is that shut off your system, you can trust your EA 100%. And you want to trust your EA 100% even if you are away. So you can't always watch it and you know, go crazy because you don't want to be fucking lazy. So I have a recommendation for you. So find indicators that will just filter out the ranging markets, and one of the best indicators to do this is actually ADX, because ADX indicator is a really good indicator in my opinion to identify trends. And you know, if you can identify trends, you can identify ranging markets as well, because if there is a trend, there is no, you know, ranging market, and if there is, you know, ranging market, there is no trend. So use the ADX. I won't tell you the exact details on this topic, but you can experiment with these things yourself, because it is like, you know, if a beautiful girl just looks at you and you can't even read or think or speak, and you just have to do it, because if you can't read, you will die. So just find indicators that are filtering out the ranging markets. And this is actually a pro tip, because I see many traders who have really great trend following strategies, but when there is a ranging market, they are dead. And I am that serious. So ADX is a really good one. Actually, I can recommend Bollinger Bands for you, and I can recommend ATR for you. These three indicators that I use as just to identify the ranging markets and filter them out. So in my strategies, I use mostly more than 5 indicators, because there are sections and there are, you know, multiple different reasons why I use separate kind of indicators in my systems. And one more thing that I want to tell you, because I want you to be successful and just be a good, you know, a good traders. So one more thing is to actually use good stop losses, not just fixed stop losses as a loser, because if you use fixed stop losses, you won't go far. Use the following system, and this is a secret, and I will tell this to you right now. Use a stop loss that is based on ATR or price percent, and use a take profit that is fixed, and a take profit that is based on a dynamic exit. In other words, an indicator. Let's say a moving average crossover or Bollinger Bands, because for this reason I recommend for you to not use ATR or price or, you know, price percent, but use moving averages, or, you know, Bollinger Bands that is made out of moving average, so it's the same. So yeah, this was today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you will enjoy my other videos too, and watch my other several hundred videos for several hundred times, and I will see you soon. Ciao.